Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the exciting world of the Baby Einstein Curiosity Table Activity Station, a fantastic toddler toy designed for ages 12 months and up. This vibrant, multicolored table is more than just a toy. It's a gateway to creativity and hands-on learning with its engaging cartoon theme and multiple STEAM activities. The table's removable legs allow for versatile play modes, making it perfect for growing children and adaptable to different play environments. With room for multiple kids to join in the fun, this activity station encourages social interaction and collaborative play. Your little one will be mesmerized by the 65 melodies and sounds, enhancing their auditory senses while they explore. Inspired by Montessori principles, the table features interactive elements like gears, color circuits, and lights to stimulate cognitive development. Watch as your child's curiosity blossoms with this captivating and educational activity table, making learning an exciting adventure every day. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.